What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing today? You guys. Xiao's first. Nice, bro. What's up, Xiao? What's up, auditioning? You just had an ad? Sick, Henry. Alright. So, dudes, I don't have too much for you guys today. What's up, Rodney? I don't have too much for you guys today. I do have some prepped math problems that I want to do, but it's just because this weekend, what's up, Jordan? Just because this weekend, dude, was absolutely insane. I was working on DeepMind all weekend. Like, you guys have no idea. And so I'm gonna be releasing it really soon, either tomorrow or Wednesday. It's gonna release this week. What's up, Tejas? Hey, Ahmed. So I'm going to be releasing DeepMind this week, so be on the lookout for it. I should probably write that down. It's brand new. So if you guys have played DeepMind before, you guys will have just as hard of a time getting to the bottom as everybody else, because I've replaced every single math question except for 2 in the entire game. So it's gonna be really sick. Check the Discord. I can after the stream, bro, but I want to load it up right now. Really. What's up, Suri? Hey, Shade. Hey, Gray. Yeah, Bob's there too. See ya, buddy. That's Dark Say. All right. So yeah, hopefully everybody's doing well today. Let me cut this music out. Yeah, hopefully everybody's doing all right. It's kind of a crazy day. I know we guys only have 4 weeks. Oh, Tejas, you did DeepMind for a second time? That's baller, dude. This next one is going to come out really soon. It's either coming out tonight or tomorrow, guys. I'm just finishing it now. So there's brand new levels. There's going to be new levels to DeepMind. And it's gotten deeper. And there's a new dungeon. Yeah. How do you open your door on the side? You have to get to the 25... you have to get to floor 25 and you will potentially find a key card to open that side door, muster. And that's just kind of like how I reward people. If you get to 25, you can always get back to 25. In the very beginning of the game, there's like these 2 doors right before like the first entrance. These 2 doors are only unlocked when you get to the 25th floor. So you have to get to 25, and then you can always get back to 25 again, bro. But did you get to the bottom yet, dude? Fell into the wall. Oh, dude, auditioning. You got to be precise, dude. Oh yeah, Tejas, I got that hash for Geometry Swamp. Did you do perfect? Did you get a perfect on that, or is that just like beating it straight up? That's something I'm curious about. I didn't have time to kind of check my app that I use to make this. Okay, cool. So let's go into this and let's talk about some of the math problems that I have for you guys. Dudes, I am going to release these new levels really soon. So be on the lookout for them. That's all I got to say is just be on the lookout for these new levels. They're going to be really sick. A character creator is coming soon. Yes, no, it's not, but maybe. ELA, we're probably going to do ELA tomorrow. I'm going to be doing like a Tuesday, Thursday kind of thing with this stream. So just, yeah, be on the lookout Tuesday, Thursday for the ELA type stuff. That's generally when that goes down. Okay, cool. So now that everything's ready to go, business is out of the way. Dude, I actually am, if people are MVPs in DeepMind, I do give them a little bit of a leg up. But that's only if you've gotten to the bottom before, that type of thing. Okay, so let's get into the problems today that I have for you guys. I don't have that many ready, but I do have some, and I do want to do them with you guys. Look at your profile. Oh yeah, dude, shout out to Tejas. You can see his profile picture is him beating the game, which is hilarious. That sign is really old. It's like filled up with names now. What's up, Red One? Dude, you're only 5 minutes. We have not even gotten started, my dude. Okay, so first question. I think it's going to be a difficult one, so I'm going to let you chew on it for a little bit. I actually have to go to photo, which is unfortunate. But check this out. Look at this problem, guys. Just look at this. Absolute beast. Okay, cool. So what does the text say on the side? I'll just zoom in so you can see it. ABCD is a square. WXYZ is a rectangle. WX is the diameter and is 10 feet. That's that diameter right there. And then what is the area of the shaded region? That's what I want to know. All right, bros, let's get it so it fits as much of this problem as I can. Okay, cool. I'll give you guys like 3 minutes to do this one. Dude, what book was that, Tammy? A lot of test prep books, specifically SHSAT books, have like so many problems in it. It's kind of crazy. New York City SHSAT grade 9 math. That's interesting. Wonder who made it. Yeah. All right, so let me just throw some background music. I've been a fan of this music recently, but if it gets annoying, you can tell me to turn it off. Okay, so I'll give you guys like 2 more minutes to solve this one. This one is kind of a hard one, I think, but it's more weird than you would think, or it's actually easier than you'd think, is what I want to say. Oh, that's sad. I like Lil Boom. That's funny, you said that. Alright. First answer's in. Auditioning and Ming. Yeah, dude, we have less than a month. Henry. Nice. Nice, Rachel. Red one. Tammy. Wow. Wiz. That's Wiz. Yeah. Rodney. Red one. Got you. Already red one. Nice. You don't know how to do this, but we're about to go over it, bro, so don't even worry about it. Nahar. Got you, dude. Give you guys like 30 more seconds. Muster. Zach. Dude, everybody is co-signing this answer. 134. Animation. Tejas. Dude, you gotta get your pen game up. Muster. I already got you, Muster. I wrote your name twice, dude. That's how good you are. Zhao. Alright, that's enough time, dudes. You guys absolutely just incinerated this problem. Oh, sorry, I was covering the queue. I was like writing all of the names. Your anxiety is is increasing every day. Well, dude, let me tell you, you got to get that under control. I know people be like, don't worry about it, or like try to put, no, I'm saying you got to address the fact that you're getting nervous and get it under control now. Like, recognize that everybody in this grade level is taking the same test as you, bro, and everybody's going up against the same thing. So oh, nice, your friend had a Pilot G2 pen. What number's on it, bro? Because the 1.0, let's see what focus is. Yeah, 1.0, that's where it's at, dude. These pens are awesome. Jordan, I got you, bro. Jordan, Yashin. Oh, nice, got a 0.7. I like the 1.0s. That's like how I roll generally. Okay, cool, so let's go into this problem just because I think everybody crushed it super hard. ABCD is a square. That means that this area is going to be 16. The whole diameter is 10, which means that the area of this guy is going to be 5 squared, or 25 pi. Now, very interesting, this half circle is 25 pi over 2, and this one is 25 pi over 2. So let's just look at the shaded region of this top half. It's going to be that half circle, 25 pi over 2, minus the 16 that's covering it up. For this, we have 15 by 10. So the whole thing in here is going to be 150, and then we minus a half circle, minus 25 pi over 2. So taking it down over here, what we have is, actually, let me do this, 150 minus 25 pi over 2. And then we're going to add the shaded region of this part, which would be plus 25 pi over 2 minus 16. Yeah, 134. That's absolutely it. Nicely done, chat. Nicely done. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, really nicely, dude. Dude, seriously, running out of time is a real thing, dude. I wouldn't be afraid of that, Wiz. Yeah. Time is your problem, dudes. Dude, you should watch that math section strategy video I did. You got to expose yourself to the most amount of problems as possible. So even if that means skipping this, because this is a harder question, this is only worth a point, bro. Every question is just one right answer. So you're trying to get as many right answers as possible. Yeah, Yeah, that's true, Wiz, but then again, you've been studying like crazy, bro. You should have confidence, Rachel. You should do it. You've been working hard. You've been working really good. Okay, let's do this next question, guys. Let's keep kicking it. And if you have any things you guys want to work on, just put it in the chat. We'll work on it later. Great. Group A has 28 people. Group B has 45 people. Group C has 55 people. I have 400 stickers to hand out. If everybody got the same amount of stickers, how many are left over? Ooh. And I'm talking about the whole group. Group A, B, and C all got the same amount of stickers from me. Because, you know, man, just giving out stickers, yeah. Well, Darkside, sign up, homie. What did you want to talk about, Kat? Yo, Ken, you said, can you review it again? Review what, homie? That's true, Tejas. That's true. You know, that free hour-long YouTube stream? That's way better than any class. Okay, so we've got some answers here. 16, and that's auditioning. Auditioning, you are on it today. Tammy, nice. Rodney. Rachel. Ooh, dudes. Oh my gosh. Wiz. Rigby. Oh my gosh. 16 other questions broken. No, I think it's 16, Henry. Yeah. Xiao. Dude, you guys crushed this. Nahar. Dude, okay. Ming. Got you. Dude. You guys crushed this. Shade. Rusum. Oh my gosh. Moreno. Got you, Daniel. Moreno. No, you guys all got this right. Oh no. So dudes, if you guys are looking for way harder problems, on Friday I did a stream with super hard problems. So look at my last stream on Friday if you're feeling super cocky with these. Then dude, Jordan. Oh my gosh. All right, whatever. Yashin, Ken. All right, dude, everybody absolutely BTFO'd me. So how many people is this going to be total? We have to add it up. 55 and 45, I think is 100, so 128. So it would be this 400 divided by 128. And I think the answer is 3, so it'd be, no, it'd be, yeah, it'd be 3. So 3, 4, 20, 3, 6, 8, 3. Borrow, that's now a 9, that's a thing. 6, 1, 16 is the remainder. So that's how many stickers you're gonna have left over if everybody got 3 stickers. Wow, what a time to be alive. You guys absolutely crushed that. Okay. All right, let me see if I can throw something a little bit harder your way. Rachel, that comment is hilarious. Okay, so let's go into this. Next one. 7x to the 5th plus 3 times the quantity of 3x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd equals x times the quantity of negative x plus 1. What value of x satisfies the equation? Here you go, Shad. Oh, sorry, Abbas. Shout out to Abbas. Abbas is the boss. Give calculus. Well, dude, Rusum, if you stick around for my SAT streams, we're going to be brushing up against the edge of calculus. Rocky science. Oh, yeah, Surrey, that can be tough, but I'll try to give you guys enough time. All right, we got some different answers coming in here. 0, Rigby. Red One's got 1. Sorry, Red One, you already said 1, bro. Auditioning. Yeah, that's true animation. Calculus is not on the SHSAT, like at all. That would be like terrifying. A boss, I got you, dude. Muster. Dude, every time I see your name, I think DJ Muster. All right. Nahar. Tejas. Jordan. Rodney. You guys got it. You guys finally got it. Yeah. Yeah. After a certain amount of time, the right answer just is like, it just keeps popping up. Venna. Wiz. Ha ha ha. There it is, Rigby. There. Study. Shad. Nice. Ming. Okay, you guys got this. Geek. Zach. Ah, yes. Surrey. Animation. Wiz. I already got you, Wiz. Didn't I? No. Yeah, I already got you for +0. I'm just playing with you, Rachel. Chill. Alright, we all know the answer is alright, so guys, this is one of those that is just like you can sink 25 minutes into this and still not get it, bro. So if you distribute, you're gonna every single thing will have an X to it. Every single thing will have an X to it. So what we eventually will get, if X is -0, we have -0 equals -0. So if X is 0, then this entire thing equals each other. So it's right. So yeah, the answer is -0. Good job, Rachel. Good job. Everybody else pretty close with +0. I just that's too funny. Okay, cool. So yeah, everybody's right. Redouan with 1. You'll actually be a little bit off because this will be 7 plus 3 minus 1, or no, plus 9. So 7 plus 9 minus 1. So that'll be different over here. So yeah, good job, guys. Okay, let's keep cruising. I like drilling you guys. I think this is good. Yeah, of course I'm trolling. All right. Out of the 10 tennis players, 2 are selected to play duos. If Joe Nashi is one of the 10 players, what is the probability the duo selection has Joe Nashi in it? Oh, that's so funny. Okay, we got some answers coming in here. 45 is your answer. 45, Dark Side, got you. Oh my gosh, sorry for that, guys. That was insane. Okay, so we got 1 out of 45, Yashin. Wow, that was ugly. That's a 1 out of 45. Tejas got 1 out of 5. Tejas. I was like messing with OBS, so I didn't actually have time. 120 Shade. Rodney's got 1 out of 5. Zhao's got 1 out of 15. Vena's got 1 out of 5. Muster. Ming. Rusum's got 1 out of 9, 1 out of 45. Bro. Got you. Why? One-fifth Shad. Rachel is angry. Rachel's either angry or thinking about dogs. Or thinking about gel pens. What's that store? Alright, so I'll give you guys 30 more seconds. Jordan? That's okay, numerator will go out of it. Muster. I already wrote your name, Muster. Sorry, bro. Auditioning. Angry Rachel noises. A boss. Okay, Phoenix got 1 out of 45. Nice. Phoenix 1 out of 5. Did I put you for 1 out of 5 auditioning? I got you. Muji. Oh, that's right. Dude, I gotta stop by that store. I wonder if they have one in Cali. Okay, that's enough time. Alright, dudes, so hopefully you are able to, like, get this done pretty easily. I want to go over it with you, of course. So, yes. You weren't changing? Okay, cool. So let's go into this. So first off, we have to realize what we're dealing with is a combination here. Because it doesn't matter which order the duo is in. We can have Jonashi and Fred, or Fred and Jonashi. It doesn't really matter. So let's find out first how many potential groups we can have. So with a combination, we start just by listing it like a permutation. So we say that there's 2 spots that 10 people could potentially have, 9 people could have the second spot, and we pick 2 factorial. Okay, that's what's up. So what we end up getting is, 10 times 9 over 2, that cancels out to 5. And so what we end up getting is 45. There are 45 total groups. Okay, so I think that's why a lot of people put that, but we got to hold on. Because how many groups can Jonashi be in? Well, if this is Jonashi, she can be with 1, she can be with 2, she can be with 3, she can be with 4, she can be with 5, just person number 6, 7, 8, and 9. Notice there's 9 people that Jonashi can be with. And so that means there's 9 potential groups. So there's 9 groups that include Jonashi because we don't count duplicates. J and 2 are the same thing as 2 and J. So, oh my gosh, you guys are so funny. Okay, cool. So there's 9 potential groups with Jonashi in it. There's 45 potential groups. That's going to be 1 over 5. So yeah, these guys over here. Nice, bros. Nice. So yeah, that's how this one goes in. This one goes down. Yeah. Yeah. So I actually, speaking of what Rusum's saying, I actually do have some buddies that did not go to specialized high schools, and they are making stupid amounts of money right now. It's not as much like, all it is just a really hard high school. It doesn't like feed you protein pills and make you smarter. Like, you're going to be as smart as you are, but a specialized high school will push you. That doesn't mean that if you don't get into a specialized high school, you can't push yourself. I mean, nobody's stopping you from bettering yourself. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. So let's go into this next problem. All right, chill. Let's check this out. I'm going to give a timer for you guys for this one, though. Come on. All right, chill. Great, let's get it. Yeah, that's super true. Super true, Henry. Dude. Ugh. Okay. Okay. All right. I thought I was being tricky. All right. Okay, whatever. We're done with this problem. You guys obviously knew how to do this. We're done with it. I'm not even gonna write down your names. Shout out to everybody who put A. Nobody put a different answer. I'm embarrassed and forever shamed for even presenting that problem to you guys. Ugh. Sometimes I'm like, when I'm prepping these streams, I'm like, ooh, I'm being so sneaky. They'll never get this. And then I put it up, and then within 20 seconds, you guys all crush it. That's hilarious. Okay. Let's do this next one. I'm going to make it nice and bright, though, because I like that. All right, chill. Cool. So, some scientific notation for you guys. Let's get it. Yeah, it was D. Thanks. Thank you, Shad. It was D. Get wrecked. I did get wrecked, dude. Oh, dude, thanks, Ahmed. Yeah, it's been fun, dude. All right, so you guys can do this. I believe in you. We have worked on scientific notation before, so it's totally fair game for me to spring this on you guys. Okay, Alana. Got you. I could definitely assume Drenashi's gender. This is scientific notation, Muster. Shade got B. Got you, Shade. Phoenix got D. Ooh, auditioning. I'm just gonna call you Odd, dude. Wiz got B. Word got B. Okay, Xiao got B. Stark got B. Henry got D. Ooh, Phoenix got B. B B B B B B B B B B B B B. Red wall. Red wall. Red wall. Okay. A boss. Dude, everybody's picking B here. A boss. Tejas. I think everybody's shod. Auditioning, you already put your answer, buddy. Sorry, dude. Why? Why what? Yashin, Rachel. Okay. Ooh. Alright, cool. Alright, dude, so that's enough time for this one. So let's go into scientific notation. Really, when we're dealing with scientific notation, the first thing we want to do is oh no, my pen. The first thing we want to do is to work on this, and then we can work on this. So let's do this first. What is 1.4 divided by 3.5? Well, you know me, I always move over my decimal. Move over my decimal. So it's going to be a decimal answer because we need a 0 up in here. So let me do the division. 12, 13, 14. Bang. 0.4. So we know that this up here is going to result in 0.4. So I'm going to just throw that over here. 0.4. Great. So now we need to do this. And whenever we have the same base and division of exponents, we just subtract. So this is the same thing as saying 10 to the 15 minus 3 or 10 to the 12th. So what we have here is 0.4 times 10 to the 12th. All right. Notice that's not an answer. We have 4.0 times 10 to the 12th and 4 times 10 to the 11th, but we don't have 0.4 times 10 to the 12th. Well, what is this really saying? This is saying we take that 0.4 and we go over 12 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know that's really small, but then we put in our zeros, right? Cool. So how many would this be if we get it between, like if we just do a 4, like 4? Well, instead of going over 12 times, it's going to go over 11 times because we're going to start here instead. And that's 1 less that we go over to the decimal place. And those would both be the same numbers, so what we get is 4 times 10 to the 11th. That's the answer. Yashin, Rachel, really nice. All the F's in the chat, dudes. You guys did get BTFO. Oh, see you later, Jordan. Take it easy, bro. Yeah. So that's how this one goes down. Yeah. So it's C. Really nice job. Really nice job, guys. We got to do a redemption just because so many people were off. Redemption time. Yeah. Redemption time. Ooh. Hold on 1 second. Let me get a good problem for you guys. Yeah, dude, when you bandwagon, that's what happens, dude. Hey, that's what happens, bro. Okay, so how about we do this? We'll do actually that's too similar. So let's say 8 times 3. All right, I don't want you guys to see this. Hold on. Okay, cool. So, all right, dudes. Simplify this. Go. Got a minute. 1 minute. You can do it. Just listen to your heart. Dude, Mice and Men, I love that book. It's a good one, dude. It's a classic. Mustard, you're cracking me up, dude. F for friendship. Yes, Rusum, that's what it means. Okay, first answer. Wiz. Rigby. Rachel. Dude, Rachel is scientific notation, my dude. But I'll write it down just because I think it's a cool answer. Tammy. Auditioning. Ooh, auditioning. That's in the wrong form, dude. 6 times 10 to the negative 12th. Okay. And that was... Oh my gosh, the answers are going way too fast. Dude, Wiz, what'd you put, bro? That was Shad. Nice. And then we have Xiao. Nice. We got Dark Side. Dark. Nice. Times 10 to the negative 12th. We got Dark. We got a boss. A boss. Hey, oh boss. Okay, see you later. See you later, Shay. Take it easy, bro. Can we do geometry? Yeah. We're actually going to do geometry next, bruh. Okay, cool. So let's go over this. This one was actually pretty hard. But good job. Everybody pat yourself on the back for participating. Even though the redemption was not really real. This, and then we're doing this. So let's just do this first. 2.4 divided by 4. You know we're going to have to pull that decimal place over, but I'm not going to. So 4 goes into 24.8 times. Oh, that's trash. 6 times. So it's going to be 0.6. So it's going to be 0.6, and this is a negative 8 minus 5, so it'd be times 10 to the negative 13th. So that's what we get straight up, but we want to have this 6. We want to have this be a number between 1 and 10, and right now it's not a number between 1 and 10. So what does this indicate? Well, 0.6, and then we move over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You guys see that all the way to the end. So this is generally where the decimal place is, and there's a bunch of zeros in here. But if I want to make it 6.0, I'm going to have to go one more. So it's not going to be 13. It's going to be 14, bros. It's going to be 14. Yeah, Tejas, that's exactly it. So what it's going to be is 6 times 10 to the negative 14th. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Shout out to this guy, to auditioning, for at least getting that. But yeah, it's going to be to the negative 14th for sure. Yeah. Don't hate, participate. All right, let's do one more of these, and because I really want you guys to understand how this goes down. So I'm gonna give you one that I think will be very revealing. I think it'll. Let's just say I think it'll be very revealing. Let's just say that. Okay. So let me put this problem together really quick. It would be. Okay, cool. So here's the problem. This is the redemption. All right. This is the redemption, bro. Oh, you guys said negative 14, not negative 4? Is that seriously on me? Oh my gosh. Everybody put negative 4. Negative 14. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you telling me the redemption was real? Are you telling me? Wait, where is it? Are you telling me that this redemption is actually real? I can't believe my eyes. Wait a minute. Let's just get away the dust right there. Oh, it was a 14 all along, bro. Wow. The redemption was real. I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice the redemption was real. Wow. Okay, well, now I have a non-redemption final problem. Good job, everybody. Shout out to everybody. And seriously, if you're in a room with other people right now, shout out to them. Shout out to everybody in the room that you guys are currently in. Definitely shout out. Okay. So shout out to everybody. All right, let me actually lower this down a little bit. Rare. All right, cool. Last problem, because I just want to make sure the redemption is totally real. Let's simplify this. Let's go. Don't dislike my video just because I didn't realize the redemption wasn't real. Sometimes you do. Sometimes you don't. And then that was one of those times. I'm a human being, guys. That's all I gotta say. I'm just a human who's super good at standardized tests. That's just me. Sorry, Farzana. Shout out to Farzana. Now this is an Avengers level threat. That's funny. Yeah. So hey, Tejas, if you're in a room with a murderer, just say hi to him. Shout out. Give him a shout out real quick. All right. The redemption needs to be real. All right. I'm not. The redemption needs to be real. Daniel got it. Wiz got it too. Wiz auditioning. Yes. Yashin. Yes. The redemption. Oh my gosh. It's happening. What counts as scientific? I don't know, bro. Huge numbers, small numbers. Dark. Got you. Phoenix. Yes. Yes. Xiao. Yes. Vena. Good. Everybody, so smart. Oh my gosh. Genius. Absolute genius tier. Do you know how many Nobel Prizes? You know me. Got you, bro. Do you know how many Nobel Prizes are going to come from this chat? Like, people from this chat are going to get so many Nobel Prizes. Rusem, you got it too. Doom. Bang. Tejas. Yeah. The redemption is real. Guys, that's the most important thing that came out of this today. Obviously was the friends we made along the way, but most importantly, the redemption. The redemption. The redemption is real. So good job, everybody. I don't know how to spell redemption. So that's what we get. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go to geometry like I said we were. We got some more hard problems to go here, bros. We're not stopping. I'm not tired. Let's go. A circle has a radius of 4 rad 2 feet. What is the area of the largest square that can fit within the circle, and the square may touch the edge of the circle? Let's go. Oh, shout out to Rachel for undisliking my video. That's my redemption. I did do you dirty, but I didn't mean to do you dirty. It wasn't on purpose. It was like an accidental shade throwing. Dude, Farzana, did I miss your name again? Shout out to Farzana. That's a double shout out. Shout out, Farzana. Okay, 128, and that is Rigby. Nice. Yeah, sorry, Muster. That's on me. That's on me, bro. Ming got 16. Okay, Ming, got you, bro. Rodney. Word. The retention is real. The retention is real. Ming, got you. Xiao got 64. Okay, Phoenix got 100. Okay, a boss got 64. This isn't weird. This is actually total test prep question. Tammy got 100. Dark size just gonna go at 16. Okay. The answer is on the page. I'll give you guys another 30 seconds. 128 auditioning. Nahar. You know me. I'm just gonna call you you know. You know. Tejas got 128. Study got 128. Okay, that's as much time as I'm going to give you. Farzana, did not forget your name. Didn't forget it. Shad, 128. A lot of people going to this 128 number, that's for sure. Okay, cool. So Wiz got 64. Got you, Wiz. Muster got 128. Got you, Muster. Did I write down everybody's answers correctly, or did I leave a 1? Rigby, I already got you, bro. All right, so let's go into this problem and let's see how to do it. So first thing you guys have to do is draw a diagram. That's I'm such a big fan of drawing diagrams for sure. So here's the circle, and we know it has a radius of 4.2 feet. So that's going to be 4 rad 2, and this is going to be 4 rad 2. Now look at the biggest square that could fit inside this circle, right? I kind of did it poorly, but it would touch here, it would touch here, it would touch here, and it would touch here. Yeah, I did not do this right, but whatever. Check it out. Boom, boom, more or less, just going fast here. Bang. And so notice that from this point to this point is also the diameter, and from this point to this point is also the diameter. So what we really have here, and now I'm going to draw this better so you can understand what I'm saying here, is that the diameter of this square is going to be 8 rad 2, or the diagonal is going to be 8 rad 2. So what we have here is a right triangle, and this is going to be x and this is going to be x, so we're going to just throw it into the Pythagorean theorem, where x squared plus x squared equals the quantity of 8 rad 2 squared. 2x squared equals, this is 16 times 2, or 32. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and x squared is going to equal 16, x is going to equal 4. Cool. That's not right. X squared, x equals 4. No way that's right. That's wrong. Equals 8 rad 2 squared. This is why I shouldn't work fast. 2x squared equals 64 times 2. 2x squared equals 128. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X squared equals 64. So yeah, there we go. X equals 8. Cool. So this is 8 and this is 8. And do you know how I knew that was wrong when I got 4? Is because this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So it's going to be x, x, x rad 2. If you don't remember your 45, 45, 90 triangles, then yeah. So yeah, that's the side length is going to be 8. I realized that I did that wrong. But now I did it right. If you can catch your mistakes, that's huge. So we know that the side length is going to be 8. Therefore, the largest square that could fit in that circle is going to have an area of 64. Really nice, guys. Really, really nice. I think this 128 crew, I don't know how you ended up with 128. Maybe that 64 times 2 or something, or I'm not 100% sure. But good job, everybody, nonetheless. Really nice. All right, let's keep going because I have some more problems I want to do. Okay, I'm not going to crumple up the paper. Notice, I'm getting better. I'm learning from you guys. I swear. Okay. All right, here we go. This is a super, super SHSAT problem. So if you guys can get this, this is super huge. This is an SHSAT problem. So let's go. Oh, website got to start the clock. Yeah, auditioning, that's pretty slick actually. So if you guys are looking to find the side length from the diagonal of a square, auditioning has a pretty good tip in the chat there. Yeah, the tutor has me go. Dude, I sometimes do learn stuff from doing these streams. Like that my multiplication isn't that great sometimes. All right, I'll give you guys like 30 more seconds and then we'll get to it. Oh, you did it backwards, Farzana? That's okay. Don't worry about it. All right. Ming? Got you, brother. All right, 30 more seconds. Got you, Rigby, Rachel, Dark. Rodney. Odd. Nahar. Yeah, I saw that, dude, but I got him. So, you know that like meme where it's like that music playing and then it's like, we got him, and it like busts open the door? That's how I feel like when I catch people before they retract. Study. Phoenix. Dude, you guys obliterated this. Light work. Totally. Yeah. Okay, that's definitely enough time. I know the answers are going to be coming in. A boss. Yeah. Dude, that happens. Ezra. Got you, Ezra. Cool. Alright, so, guys, for this one, Tejas. Dude, the chat's doing good today. Shad. 115? You mean 155, Farzana? Rusum? Gotcha, buddy. Alright, cool. So let's go over this. So one thing that I noticed, 40 minutes, that's kind of a familiar number here. So that means that the temperature goes down 2 minutes every 40 minutes. 2 hours, how do I explain this? 2 hours is 120 minutes. And that means that we have 3 instances that the temperature goes down every 2 hours. So every 2 hours, the temperature goes down 6 degrees. So we need to get from 38 to 0. Well, if we do this 6 times, then it's going to be 12 hours, and we're going to go down 36 degrees. So we still need 2 more degrees. So it's going to be 12 hours and 40 minutes to get those 2 more degrees. So 12 hours, 40 minutes. If we start at 1:15 p.m., 12 hours will take us to 1:15 a.m. Then we add 40 minutes, 1:55. Yeah, you guys knew it all along. Dude, Farzana, did I really forget you? No way. Hold on. Got you. Okay. Let's see. Wiz minus 40 minutes, 125. So we can do 38 degrees to get 40. Yeah, that works for you, Wiz. I think that sounds good, actually. Yeah. Do another problem like this? I actually don't have another problem. I don't have another problem about this. Yeah, that's funny. That's kind of slick, Ming. 40 times 19 divided by 60. That is very interesting. That's extremely interesting, actually. That's a cool way to do it, Ming. Okay, so let's do a next problem here. I don't know why that get caught in the spam filter. That's cool though. All right, so check this out. Next problem. A basketball court is actually, and this is really true, I looked this up online, 94 by 50 feet. If I want to fill in a rectangular basketball court with 8 inches worth of concrete, what volume of concrete is needed? I'll take a fraction or a decimal. Oh yeah, start the clock. 1.5 minutes, guys, let's get it. Okay, another minute, guys. And like I said, I'll take it as a fraction or a decimal. Oh no. Rest in peace, Rachel. Ezra, got you, bro. 31 1/3. Gotcha, Henry. Rigby. Ming. Okay, guys. That's 1:30, but take another 30 seconds on this, because this one is really hard, I think. Auditioning. Study. It's okay, Angeline. We'll go over this, homie. Don't even trip. Red one. Vena. Nice. Mustard got 2,800. Oh my gosh, this is going too fast. Dark Side got 352 and 1/3. Dark. Farzana. Got you. Rachel needs a Sheba. That's Rachel. That's the answer to her question. Muster, got you, brother. Dark Side, got you. Tammy. Cool. Alright, cool. So let's go over this one, dudes. Oh, Rusum. Rusum got the fraction version. Nice, Rusum. Alright, cool. Notice me. Dark Side, I already wrote your own answer right there, homie. Notice me, senpai. Shad also needs a Sheba. Okay, understandable. All right, so let's go through this. Let's go through how to do this one, bros. You guys can totally do this. I'm surprised it's not. I'm surprised that it's not like more of a obvious flood, but whatever. So the first thing we need to do is just find out what the area is and then times it by the height. So 90. I'm gonna do 50. I'm gonna do 94 up here. So 0, 20, 45, 47. So that is how big the height is, or that's the area of the base, quote, quote, the base is 4,700. So we need to change this to feet, and which is 2 over 3, and that's over 1. So what we end up getting is this 9400 divided by 3, and that's what Rusum got. But a lot of people went ahead and did the division here. And you're going to get 1/3 as a remainder. So yeah, this is also correct. So yeah, everybody in these camps crushed it. Nicely done, bros. Nicely done. And yeah, this is also correct over here. So good job for the people who picked Sheba as well. Sometimes, I don't know if I should tell you this, because a lot of people for the SHSAT tell tutors and stuff not to tell their students this. However, if you're very confused on a math problem, if you know how they have like the bubble sheet, they have A, B, C, and D. If you actually just write inside the bubble, you write S, I, H, I, B, and then just throw an A, they actually can't mark that wrong. They're not allowed to mark that wrong. So yeah, you can always kind of write that if you're super stumped or whatever. Okay, cool. So dudes, that was the stream I got for you guys. That's what I got. So that was everything that I prepped. Yeah, I'm actually going to use that thumbnail tomorrow, Tejas. I just didn't want to use it for Monday, but I will use it this week. I thought that was pretty hilarious, dude. Oh, sorry, a boss. Shout out to a boss. Sorry for writing your name, dude. So. Sorry, bro. Yeah. Dude, no, I'm not actually serious with the Sheba thing. Please don't write Sheba in your answer explanation. Please actually don't write Sheba into the chat, or into the you can write Sheba into the chat, but don't write it on the test. They will not actually mark it right. They'll think there's like a mental problem with you. If you just write Sheba for every answer on the SHSAT, they will not put you into STI. Believe it or not, I know a lot of people think that, but they actually won't put you into STI. They'll probably try to put you into like a school for really dumb kids. Be like, yeah, please don't write Sheba in the thing. Okay. So let me see if I've given you this hard problem. Is this stream? Yeah, Christy, we're doing 6p every weekday. Yeah. Don't mark Sheba, Farzana. Don't do it. Okay, so let me see if I can get one more question for you guys. That's kind of difficult here. What should this last problem be on? Like, I'm gonna take some recommendations here, because I don't know. I should have prepped 11 problems, but I prepped 10. So they put you into a mental hospital. Yeah, that's actually what they literally do. However, the mental hospital has Shebas, so. the last problem that we should do today? Oh yeah, I probably should tell you more about what's coming up this month. Yeah, it's not going to be every day. It's going to be 6 to 7 p on the weekdays. Yeah. Yeah. Next question on Shibas. Okay, you guys want to do a Shiba question? We can do a Shiba question. Okay, we can do a Shiba question. Okay. Okay, what could be a Shiba question? Let's see, a trig problem, Shiba themed trig problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got a Shiba problem for you guys. Let me just put it together. So let's say. That way it goes for 2 hours. So then it would be. Well, actually, no. Then that would be. So then hold on. I just want to make sure that this last one's legit. So that the last problem of the stream can't be broken. So just hold on a second, bros, and I will get to you regularly. Schedule a program. Plus more. Ooh, okay, that's kind of tough actually. Let's say. Okay, cool. Let's actually change it. So. Yeah. Okay, let's say. Okay, here's the question. Alright. Ron, a Shiba, walks north at 2.5 miles per hour. Gigi, another beautiful Shiba, walks west at 3/10 miles per hour. They walk for 2 hours. How far away is Ron from Gigi? And let's just say they start next to each other. There's one beautiful Shiba. Wow. There's one. And here's the second one. He's like looking straight at us. Yeah, it's lagging super hard. Sorry, bros. So we got some answers in here. Nice. Everybody's getting one. I don't know what the answer is, but I'm surprised by that actually, Phoenix. Okay, I'll give you guys a little bit more to do this. Dark Side got 2 out of 10. Got you, Dark. Shad. Alright, Nahar. Maybe one is right. Maybe it's right, bros. Oh yeah, it is. Oh my god. Dude, Christy, the magic is real. Ming, okay, buddy. You may be right. You may be right, bruh. So yeah, this is the 3/4. Yeah. Okay, so Venna got it too. So yeah, you guys got this. You guys absolutely crushed this. So let's go through this. So we know our first beautiful Shiba is going to be walking north at 2/5 miles per hour. The other guy is going to be walking west at 3/10 miles per hour, and they're going to be walking for 2 miles. So this guy is going to go 4/5 of a mile. This guy is going to go 6/10 of a mile. Okay, so then what we end up having here is a pretty nice pretty nice right triangle, because we know that this is 4/5 of a mile and this is 6/10 of a mile. So now we can put this into the Pythagorean theorem here. So we know 4/5 squared plus 6/10 squared equals x squared. So do this. This is going to be 16/25 plus 36/100 equals x squared. I'm going to change this to, that would be 64. So this would be 64 out of 100 plus 36 out of 100 equals x squared. X squared is going to equal 100/100. And if we take the square root of that, x is going to equal 1. Yeah. Dude, the chat's so good. Yay. Yeah, or you could just recognize it as a 3-4-5 triangle and just be a boss that way. All right, dudes. So that is the stream for today. What a time. Hold on. It's happening. Hold on. It's happening. Wait, why isn't it playing? That's so sad. Okay, we'll do this one. Yeah. All right, so that's the end of the stream. See you, Rigby. See you, buddy. So yeah, good job, everybody. I know that last problem was a little anticlimactic, but I just was like so out of it. Like, you know how it is towards the end of the streams. So yeah, dudes, really good job. You guys can send me emails at any time, and I'll hook it up. If you guys have any, like, yeah, it's an iconic ending. Thanks, boss. Yeah, so if you guys have any emails, shoot me an email. I got you, bro. Score, translations, whatever. TylerTutor.com. We got some stuff. Why did that get caught up in the filter? That's so funny. See you, Christy. See you tomorrow, 6p. We're gonna keep grinding. Yeah. So I wonder why this music wouldn't work. I love this song, and it's like not working. It's so sad. Why won't you play? Boo. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Well, cool, man. I gotta get out of here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at like 6p. Yeah.